तर काल एसटी रिजर्वेशन बील येवपाचें आसलें हांगा लोकसभेन आनी मागीर इंडिया एलायन्स आनी काँग्रेसीन अपोज केलें तेका लागून बोबाळ जालो तेजेर
बील येवना
बील
एक मिनिट पयले सुवात सुसेगाद
हय
आयच्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता इंग्लिशीन एक म्हणी आसा बेटर लेट दॅन नेवर आनीक गोंयच्या मुखेलमंत्रीक बेटर लेट दॅन नेवर हांव म्हणटा कित्याक काल पयच्या दिसाक एक नोटिफिकेशन आयलें अस्मिताय दीस ओपिनियन पोल डे हें सेलिब्रेट स्टेट लेवलार जातलें हें प्रायवेट मेंबर्स रेजोल्युशन हांवें ह्या हावजान घातलेलें आनी जेन्ना घातिल्लें त्या वेळार आमी रिक्वेस्ट केलेलें त्या सरकाराक की ओपिनियन पोल डे अस्मिताय दीस हो स्टेट लेवलाचेर सेलिब्रेट जावपाक जाय आनीक खुशालकाय म्हाका भोगता कित्याक इट इज ऑलरेडी बीन नोटिफिकेशन इज कम आउट एंड इट विल बी सेलिब्रेटेड एज अस्मिताय दीस आज म्हाका दिसता हो दीस खूब म्हत्वाचो आशिल्लो कित्याक इट इज वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ दीस डे दॅट टुडे वी स्टँड एज गोवा इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ टुडे दॅट डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत स्टँड्स एज द चीफ मिनिस्टर आय स्टँड एज एन MLA एज लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन नाल्यार आमी हूंय ना हूंय एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट आसपाचें आज It's a very important historic day on the contribution of पंडित नेहरू. आज मुखेलमंत्री जाय तो पंडित नेहरूचे उलयता त्या दिसाक आमकां चोवपाक जाय तो कितें उलयता बरें उलयता जाल्यार इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ पंडित नेहरू इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ द काँग्रेस पार्टी इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ दोतोर जाग सिकेर आमचे साबू देसाय जावं चंद्रकांत केणी उदयबाब बेंब्रे सगळे हे जे पड आहले इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ देआर डे आनी खुशालकाय म्हाका जाता आनीक म्हाका दिसता आयच्या दिसाक बारीकशे हेल्थाचे TCPचे आनीक IT चे क्वेश्चन्स विल बी डिस्कस्ड बट इट इज अ सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेर्स कालच्या दिसाक वी रेज्ड अ पॉयंट ऑफ ऑर्डर विरेश स्टूड अप आय स्टूड अप दॅट TCPचे आन्सर दिनाय all the answers are said that they are sub judice. When you say that the answers are sub judice today, any matter that is in court, information should be given. Forget about the discussion. What stops the minister from giving the information? Whether TCP department should be renamed as sub judice department. Also prashna zala. Whether we will be able to discuss the grants, demand of grants, Kiryak, Raj Bhavan, governor, we cannot discuss these demands for grants. Same way, whether this will be allowed. Konageli duty, Sabapatichi. Sabapati aaj empire dista. Sabapati seems to be player of the ruling. And this is a very, very sorry state of affairs. How can the department be yes builder and no MLA? How can that be? So this is something today. So yeah, Speaker, what he's giving us an opportunity to speak or no. So prashna tu mandlo about GST bill. The Congress did not oppose it. Just telling you, it was not put. There was another thing with regards to Bihar. Okay, that was a constitutional crisis. Do not put that thing that they opposed it. Was it tabled? It was not tabled in the first place. So let it be tabled, and our captain South Goa MP has taken this issue, consistently spoken on this issue. So let them table it. They have to table it again. Kitli billing ele. So many bills that are tabled, they have to be what stops them from tabling it again? Let them table it again. So let's not divert the attention today. The focus should be on the corruption in the tourism department, on beach cleaning scams, on how footfalls have fallen. And you will see how we expose them. Also the social welfare department as their demands high, we will prove to them that their department has failed the people of Goa. So CM kite mota CM ke answer aun dipana. We have said that very, very specific. We are with the ST people. We have fought for it here. And in the parliament, it was not tabled. Okay, it was not tabled. Let them table it. There was another issue that was being discussed before. That was their tactic. When they knew that there was noise happening, they purposely bought it to make sure that this doesn't come. When there were people or MPs wanting to be heard, why do you bring it in that time? This is a tactic of the BJP to divert this. They didn't want it to get it.
सीएमान म्हटलं समज 27 येणार तुम्ही काँग्रेस जबाबदार असताना म्हटलं
CM लायता रे पळय सुद्दां CM 27 येत जाल्यार